this video we learn how to make this helical strip profile in the Creo parametric software. Now first of all we open the new model, new page, select the part, solid part, and here enter part name, which one is a helical strip. You can like a spring. Press OK. Now our Creo working window will be open. Now first of all we draw the sketch. This is the here helical strip profile. Now select the sketch, select the plane, draw the sketch. First of all we place the center line because the helical generates symmetrical from this center line. Now draw the here one line, $150. This one is $500. Half of 500. So let's change one movie, 120. Now finish this sketch. Now enter in helical strip profile, select this one. Now reference, select this line, helical strip profile. Now here select this line. Now you can see here the pitch 50. This direction our helical strip part profile through axis of revolution above this axis, center line, revolute above this axis, normal trajectories. Now this one is a pitch. You can change the here pitch. This one will be start point, and our pitch is located at a start point. You can see here pitch 50. Keep constant section. If you vary with your requirement, then you can change this option from here, vary section. Now done up to this. Now select this one. You can see here draw the section. Now here we can draw the one circle, select the circle, and now normal to sketch. Now draw the here one circle and give the dimension 10 mm, 20 mm, and now finish this one. Now you can see here our spring will be generated. Now and change the pitch from here 30. You can see the pitch decrease, the turn automatically increase. Now this one is a left-handed. Change right hand mode. Change the direction, vary pitch. You can add pitch here. $25. See now See here, the gap between at middle is more, and now end of this one will be less. You can adjust air as your requirement. Now this one is the thickness option. See now, thickness apply. Hollow part will be generated. Flip the direction, outside, inside. Thickness apply. Inside, outside, and this one is the middle one. You can change, you can keep your requirement. This one is also for removable material. You can select here and remove the material from this, from sweep profile. And this one, render tool. Okay, now our helical sweep profile done. You can make any helical or sweep part in Creo software by using this option and by using this stepwise method. Now thank you for watching this video and subscribe my channel 3D Tech.